morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming a bit of a different video. It is like a mini room makeover type video, as you can tell by the title. If you like these kind of things, then do give me a thumbs up, let me know in the comments down below and I'll be sure to do more. Please subscribe if you haven't already, it would mean so much to me, and on with the video. Okay, so just to give you a bit of a brief overview, I have a home tour video which I will leave a little card and a link below if you wanted to watch that after this video. Essentially, we live in a 2-bed terrace house. I live with my boyfriend. We have 1 bath, 2 bedrooms upstairs, and then downstairs we have like a big open front room, open living room and kitchen area, and then a little garden area as well, which we have just done up, and I've been doing that within my weekly vlogs, which I do every Sunday. Without further ado, let me show you a few clips of the before. I will say that we're not doing it up drastically, we are just doing like a little mini makeover because the intention is at some point to move out of this house, either into the city or into a different house, we don't know yet, and it's just, we're not going to live here forever. If we were, I probably would do it slightly different and maybe invest a bit more time and money into this room makeover, but for now, let me show you the before. So coming in, this is our spare room, our 2nd bedroom. And as you can tell, the majority of these rails, okay, all of these rails have my clothes on. They also have majority of my shoes under there, some spare bags, just a load of clothes that need sorting through, bags that need sorting through. Again, more things, trouser press there, I don't know what we're doing with that. Essentially, a mess. There's a few prints over there that I don't like, a couple here as well, ironing stuff. So yeah, generally a room that isn't that pleasant. This mattress as well is getting changed up to a Lisa mattress. Current mattress that we have on is the most uncomfortable mattress you will ever experience. So embarrassed to have people stay here. So now at least we'll be more likely to invite people over. So this is the room before, and let's crack on with the after. This mattress, by the way, is from a brand called Lisa. They're very kindly sponsoring this part of the video. So at least now we have a nice comfy mattress. It's so nice. We've already had a chance to sit on it ourselves. We unboxed this yesterday. So yeah, thoroughly enjoying this. And now we have a comfy spare bed that if ever me and Tom need a little time apart, if he's snoring too loud or he's come in too drunk, I have my own bed. No, but I really appreciate Lisa for working with me on this video, and I'll also do like a bit of a blog post on it as well with more photos, so stay tuned for that. If it's already live, I will leave it linked below. I have a discount code as well which gets you a massive chunk of money off, so if you are interested in getting a new mattress yourself, highly recommend it. I'll leave the discount code below as well and all the information about it. That is the new mattress. I'm not sure what to do with this headboard because it's like an old leather IKEA one, which I'm not a big fan of, but again, without investing too much into this room, we'll just probably keep it as is. So I'm actually going to go have a quick look at a local couple of charity shops which are local to us, just to have a quick browse, see if they've got any home decorative pieces that I can add to the bedroom that I am doing up. What I'm going to do is move the bedding that we had in our room to the spare room because I do have some new bedding for our room. So I've just gone for creams and linens and that kind of thing with TK Maxx purchases. So they're waiting to go on our bed. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to head out and have a look at some shops and I will take you along with me. Let's go. So one of the bigger shops that I thought was open has now shut. So there was only 2 fairly small ones. I mean, when I'm looking at the American and Canadian thrifting, come thrifting with me, I'm like, ugh, It's on another level out there. I wish it was like that here. But anyway, I did pick up 2 bits. First of all, there's this cushion, which I loved the fact that it's like two-tone. There's the waffle side and then normal. So I'm just going to buy some buttons to replace that. I think I'm going to get like brown tortoiseshell buttons. That was £1.49. And then separate from homeware, I got a little jumper from Pretty Little Thing, which if I just pop you there, looks like so. It's like a really high neck, ribbed, wide sleeve, white, kind of semi-crop top. So picked up those 2 bits. That top was £3. Now I'm gonna head to TK Maxx before heading back home and cracking on with decluttering and sorting out. Oh, it's hot. So there are a couple of little bits in TK Maxx, but nothing that I haven't already got something similar of. I'm probably not going to finish this like mini room makeover today, so obviously for you guys it'll be the same video, but if I change an appearance in any way, then that is why. Also, if you've got a similar sort of style to me, if you're after those seagrass baskets, I got a couple of clips in there, but TK Maxx have so many, or HomeSense, whichever you end up going to, have like such a wide variety. So a couple of the ones that we've got at home are from there as well, so highly recommended for that. But yeah, let's get home and crack on with cleaning. Okay, so it is a brand new day. I have spent the last few days working on this room and I'm happy with it. I think it's been a really good outcome. Like I've said before though, I will say that if we were staying in this house long term, we would definitely have slightly different plans for this room. But without wanting to invest too much, I think the most important factors that I wanted to change or improve, I've done. Starting with the bed area, what I've decided to do is dress it more as a like day bed, which you can just chill out on. There's a little dent there, as you can tell I've been sat reading a book. I just find this space really nice to just chill out. So it's rare that we do have guests, but now that we've got the Lisa mattress, even just for ourselves to chill out in this room, it's like a well-used space that we beforehand never used and now we'll use quite a lot. So yes, loving that. It's super, super comfortable. Don't forget the discount code, which gets you a huge chunk of money off if you wanted to order it yourself. And then moving on to the windowsill area, I've put a plant there, which is actually a faux plant, so I don't have to keep coming in to like look after it, because like I said, this is a spare room, so I didn't want it to get forgotten about. So it's just a artificial one from Primark actually, and then the little candle beside it is also Primark, as is the reed diffuser. We've got a Yankee candle there, and just a nice little like cork lid glass water bottle from IKEA. The cushions and all the bedding is from HomeSense, apart from this throw, which is actually Sainsbury's Home. It wouldn't be my ideal choice, but it is a perfectly good throw for now. So I mean, I'm loving more the creams rather than the greys at the minute, but I figured it's still very neutral. So yeah, love that. Washing basket there, another few cushions there just to sit out if you wanted to sit that way. And another big addition I wanted to add was a full length mirror so that I can see what my outfits look like when I'm getting ready. It's the only one we have upstairs, so it's just super, super handy to have. I'll show you. I mean, it's only thin. It was only $5.99 from B&M, but like I said, without investing too much in this room, for what it is, it does the job perfectly. I just needed a full length mirror, which I'm more than happy to have at $5.99. Super, super good bargain. They had them in different colours as well. They had black and they had like a natural wood, which I nearly got, but I just figured the other prints have like black and white frames in here, and then the bedding being neutral, like white and grey rather than creams. I figured I'd just stick with white. And then this Macrame Wall Art is from Primark. I've had it for so long and not been able to display it. So now I'm just super, super happy that it's finally up, because I love macrame. I think it's so pretty. I love it in like hanging baskets as well, which we have a couple downstairs. And then this print here is from Desenio. The actual frame though is from IKEA, as is this frame, and I've just switched it to be vertical, this one. Put a few Polaroids of myself and Tom in, which is just a nice little homely touch. This print and frame is from IKEA. And then over here I have our IKEA rails, which I think are about £6 odd, really, really affordable. Got them in white. Got two side by side, and this is just like an array, in colour order obviously, an array of clothes and a few scarves at the end as well. Shoe storage is all underneath. Now I did think about switching these boxes out for like neutral, like just perspex boxes or something, but for now I think it's fine. It works as it is just the boxes that they're in. And then my bags, I don't mind having them on display as well because they don't take up too much room. There's bags within bags there as well. So for now, I mean, obviously if I had the dream walk-in wardrobe, I'd have every single bag, every single shoe on display, every single vest and t-shirt hung up. But for now, that works and it does the job. We've got this rug here, which is from B&M. And yeah, this is the overall finished spare room mini makeover slash tidy up and organisation. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you got some inspiration and ideas yourself that you could maybe take as to what you could do with a box room. It's not even really a box room because we did manage to fit a double bed in. Like I said, space saving. If we were staying here long term, I probably would have had a single bed and like more of a day bed dressed up with cushions. But honestly, when I had the opportunity to work with Lisa, I was like, yes, I'm keeping this double bed because the mattresses are so comfortable. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned for more videos, and if you want to watch my full house tour, I will leave that listed below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.